Porsche Club is having a little get-together here, and this 944, this is a 944? Can't tell, it looks like a 944, but man, beautiful, beautiful car. Nice 944. And you got a nice cab over there, and then another cab over here. Beautiful running car. Not trying to get too close to it, but yeah, it's kind of walking around. I was told that there might be a little Porsche car show, so let me see if I can get some more images of some other Porsches here. Nice little air-cooled Carrera. Saw him pull in and it sounded great. There's that air-cooled sound is really distinctive, and got a couple of more modern Porsches over here. But let's go see if we can take a closer look at this 914 here. Beautiful seats. Check out those seats.
But he's worried about somebody will offer him 80 after he sells it.
I get that. I get that.
Is it a 2-liter?
Yes. And it's a 72, and
Yeah, it's a small bumper car, so.
Right.
But the 73, it's got the bumperettes.
and it's got racing history.
Before that, they only had this. 73, they went to this, and this 74, they went to the speed.
Oh, this is a Targa. This is actually one of my favorite models of Porsche, because you can see it's a hard window, but that window will actually drop and then slide backwards, so that's what makes this a Targa. So 997 Targa. Great car, great car. Beautiful. Guards red. It's like a few more Porsches are showing up here. Big wing on that GT3. Really nice. Really nice. You got a nice Cayman over here. Look at that GT3. Look at the scoops on the spoiler. Gulping in plenty of air. Nice Carrera with the factory hardtop coupe. Let's see what else we got in this parking lot. Got a couple more C4S here. Those are nice. Look at that. Another Boxster. It's actually pretty good showing for a little Porsche Club, local club. So really like that this color on this Macan. Is it a Macan Turbo? Yeah, it's a Macan Turbo. But great looking color on that. Let's go back and see if some other Porsches showed up here. Talk about nice blue color. Look at that one all the way at the end. Let me go see if I can get some video of that one. And wow, look at that. Look at that. That's a huge wing. Huge wing. Another GT3. So we got a couple GT3s hanging out here. Couple more beautiful cars out here. A nice little Porsche Cayman. Oh, that green. I'm not sure what color that green that is, but that's a nice one. Another 911 Carrera here. Lots of Carreras. I think I saw a Panamera that was on its way in. So let's see if I can get some video of that. But yeah, cool. Starting to spread out. There's not enough parking space in this parking lot, so they're all getting spread out.